How to use the breakout strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the breakout strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The breakout strategy is based on the idea that the price of an asset breaks through a significant support or resistance level. A breakout is typically followed by a sharp price movement in a new direction, and the trader's challenge is to enter the market at the right time. How to use the breakout strategy. First, identify the support or resistance level. When the price breaks through these levels and the breakout is confirmed by the next candlestick moving in the same direction, this signals the start of a new trend. Open a buy trade if the price breaks the resistance level and starts moving upwards. Open a sell trade if the price breaks the support level and moves downward. Use the breakout strategy together with RSI or moving average indicators. These signals help confirm that the breakout has actually occurred. Learn more about how to use the RSI and moving average indicators in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.